I was sent this set of jumbo chalk ink pens, and they're really cool. I'm going to give you a demo of how to use them. I've already used the white one on a black chalkboard. So this one is primed and ready to go. So you can see the tip right there. And that one's set. I am really excited to use them for graduation is coming up, and I have a kindergartner that's graduating and a first grader, so I'm going to be decorating my car windows and drawing a cute little picture for them. But I thought for today's video, I'll just draw on this picture frame, use the glass. So here's the pink one. It's not ready yet. So the first thing you're going to do, and all the directions are right here on the back of the box, but you have it pointed up with the cap on, and you just shake it for 30 seconds. So I've done that already, and then we'll move on to step number 2. Then you're going to release the pressure by just pushing down on it. So simple. Then you're going to go ahead and tip it upside down, and that's when we start using it on and going to and fro multiple times for 1 to 3 minutes until the ink starts coming out. And now normally you wouldn't be holding it up, you'd be having it on a flat surface while you're doing this. As you start doing it, you'll see that it's starting to come down, so you won't be just surprised and all of a sudden it's going to come gushing out. It will start showing you that it's coming down, and I'm almost ready for the demonstration. And we are set. So we have our full pen here. I'm left-handed, so I was going to draw a heart, but it's kind of hard to draw one like that. Let's see. Ta-da! Let that dry for a second. Cap that, and then I'll use the white one as well. To wash it off, you can just use a wet cloth or even just Windex. This is just a tissue here with some water on it. And it just wipes right off. And here is my finished masterpiece. I mean, that could go in a museum, right? Pretty cute. Okay, could wipe it off very easily with the tissue when I'm ready. So you'll definitely want to lay it flat if you are going to hold it up to let it dry. My new finger painted masterpiece. You just keep having so much fun with these. What's cool is that you could blend them, and it's very vibrant. These chalk colors are awesome. So fun, whether you're using them professionally for your business or your kids are just using them for art projects, or you're decorating cars for sports teams or whatever. I think you're going to absolutely love having these.